In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share audio on Google Meet without sharing screen. If you want to play music, a podcast clip, or any sound without revealing your desktop, this simple approach will do the job. We'll start by opening Google Calendar in your browser so you can access the meeting you've already scheduled. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account. Then head to your calendar grid and open the event that includes your Google Meet link. This keeps everything organized and ensures your meeting settings carry over properly. Inside the event, click the Join with Google Meet button. Before you enter, take a moment to check your microphone and speaker. Using headphones on your computer helps prevent echo for everyone else, and it keeps the call audio from bleeding into what you're about to play. When you're ready, click Join Now to enter the meeting. Say a quick hello to confirm your audio is clear. Here's the key to sharing audio without sharing your screen. Use another device solely for playback. This could be a phone or a tablet with the audio file or app you want to use. The device doesn't need to join the meeting. It will simply act as your sound source. Place it close to your computer's microphone. About a few inches away usually works best. Set your device's volume around the mid to high range so it's loud enough without distorting. You can fine-tune the volume during a quick sound check. Before you hit play, silence notifications on that device to avoid unwanted pings and cue the audio to the exact spot where you want to start. If your device has an equalizer, choose a balanced or voice-friendly preset to keep things clear. When you're ready, let your participants know they're about to hear audio, then press play. Avoid speaking over the clip so your mic can focus on the playback. If the sound is too quiet, move the device a bit closer to the mic or increase the device volume gradually. If it's too loud or distorted, back it away slightly or lower the volume. When the audio ends, pause before you speak, giving the compression and noise suppression a second to settle. If you need to share multiple clips, leave them queued up and repeat the same process. For best results, test this setup a few minutes before your real meeting in a quiet room and adjust placement until the sound is clean and consistent. That's it. No screen share required, just a quick, reliable way to pipe audio into Google Meet.